In plain view today, over 1 billion persons worldwide already have accepted the preliminary mark on their foreheads as a sign of their readiness for the nearing actual mark of the beast. Revelation pinpoints that the coming actual mark itself will be one of two things: either the name of the false prophet, or will be the number of his name. Today only the papacy of Rome qualifies as the false prophet, being the most exalted Christian impostor and phony Christian icon in the world today. Over 1.2 billion devoutly pledged followers of the Roman Catholic Pope stand ready worldwide to accept his name or the number of his name on their right hands or their foreheads, either of which constitutes the foretold mark of the beast. In the coming Great Tribulation, the sitting Pope of Rome's mark will have it forced upon all, or with beheading for those who refuse. At heisnear.com, the Bible's passages which detail all of this are presented with jolting clarity, and hundreds of headline news match and confirm their readiness right now for near fulfillment in this generation.